Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything, where we create, inspire, and grow. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be redoing this IKEA cabinet. I wanted a more brighter look, didn't want the black, so I'm painting it white. And overall it took, I say, about 4 coats of white to get it completely covered. But yeah, so I did the outside, the inside, the shelves. This is the inside. It looks crazy. I did add contact paper to the very back. So what I did is I just did 1 coat on the back of the shelf, so that way the contact paper can adhere good to the back and it doesn't like peel off or anything like that. But this is what it looks like, and then I just continue with my coats of paint. And then I have on my kitchen table I have my shelves. Yeah, this is what it looked like. This is the progress on the shelves. I did gold handles, and overall I like the way it came out. It came out really nice. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.